Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something really silly, and we're gonna draw a troll face. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this troll face, and to begin we're gonna draw his eyes first, and we can just draw the bigger eyes first. So we're just gonna draw kind of like one little curve like that. And then we're gonna give it some thickness, so it's kind of slanting downward. And then for the eyeball, just gonna draw two lines. And now we're gonna draw the other eye, and this one's gonna be, we're gonna come across. It's gonna be a lot skinnier. Okay, so then a lot smaller. And then the eyeballs, and let me shade it in real quick. And it's a very funny looking face. Okay, so now that we have the eye, so we're gonna draw his nose. So just right here in the corner, I draw a little arc like that, and then for the tip of his nose, we're gonna come out, and then just kind of hook it back in. And then we're gonna continue on with his nostrils. And then this is gonna be curved in. And then on the other side, just one little smaller one. Okay. And then from there, we're gonna draw his mouth. But first, we're gonna draw his smiling cheeks first. So right in the middle of his eye, right here, a curve. Just kind of draw one big curve like this. And then on the other side. Okay. And then from there, right here, that's gonna be the corner of his mouth. We're gonna draw that. And I know it looks weird, but once we connect it, it'll look right. So from here, I'm gonna draw one big curve, and this is gonna be the top of his lip. So just kind of go under the nose, and just curve it back into the corner of his mouth. And then we're gonna draw the lower lip now. So same spot, we're gonna come out. And then we're just gonna kind of straighten out a little bit. Then we're gonna curve it back. Okay, so that's gonna be the mouth opening. So now we're gonna draw the teeth inside. So right here, we're just gonna curve, just gonna follow, go all the way back. And then for the lower teeth, we're gonna start here and just kind of pinch it in to the other one. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw his teeth. So this will be easy. So we're gonna go one right in the middle, 2, 4, and then on this side we're gonna go 1, and then here we kind of decrease the space a little bit. Okay. So that gives it a little bit more dimension. And then again on the bottom, so we're just following these 1, 2, 3, 4, and then right here 1, 2, and probably only 3 this time. Let me shade this in so we can see the mouth a little bit better. Okay, and then from there now we're gonna draw the outside of the face. So right over here, we're just gonna go around. Okay, on this side, just draw two, kind of like a bracket. And then from here, we're gonna go up. Okay, and then now we go around a little bit and just kind of come straight across the top of his head. And then we're gonna curve it back down, connect that. And then for the lower part, his jaw. Right here, we're just gonna come down. And then now this is gonna go out. And it's gonna be a very big chin. Curve, and then just kind of connect back onto there. And then now that's pretty much the face. Now we gotta make it look a little bit more hideous, right? So there's gonna be a lot more little curves in there. So we got right in the middle of his eye, in the center. We're gonna draw these little slant lines to show the expression of the face. And then now there's gonna be a couple of creases here on his forehead. And I'm trying to make the lines a little bit thinner, because these are just folds in his face to make it look, I guess, more like a troll. And then right here as well, we're just gonna give him a lot more wrinkles. So on this side, we're gonna give him 1, maybe 1 more. And then the corner of his eye, just a little bit. And then here, corner of his nose. Okay, and then on the bottom, we gotta draw a little bit more This can be really crude, just kind of draw a couple of lines in here. And that's it for this Trollface. I hope you guys like this city drawing, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.